Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a BT50 in. I know it's a cab chassis, so you can't tell. Trust me, it's a BT50. Anyway, we're gonna get a tow bar, we're gonna get the wiring harness done on it. We're gonna get into the nitty-gritty details as we always like to do. And other than that, we're gonna get right into it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed the little assembly, and I guess it counts as an assembly. We have to add the end plates to the tow bar. All right, the assembly and fit process of this BTA tow bar on this current year Mazda BT-50. You can see we've gone ahead and did the 7-pin wiring as well. Went through and showed you guys all the diagram and how to fit, etc., etc. If you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the website to go to. If you guys are in New South Wales, give us a call, 0296278666. We can give you the best price you can get on a tow bar fitted on any vehicle that can tow. Other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys on the next